Hello everybody, so today I want to look at the group promote node, and let me just first of all explain what that is. It's where you create a group, say, of primitives and you want to convert them into points or edges and vice versa, right? So let's quickly look at this. It's real simple again. I'm going to just add a tube, I think. Alright, let's make this tube a bit taller, maybe like this. Yeah, okay, let's add some more resolution to this. Alright, that looks cool. And now I'm just going to add a few groups. Now in order to do this, I'm going to go into my front. And I need to turn this off at the moment. I don't need that on. Okay. And I'm going to go into my polygon mode and I'm going to select my top group. So that can be that one there. Remember, hit the tab key. Put in group, there we go, and I've got my group 1, which I'm gonna call top. Okay, maybe let's do the same with the bottom. Let's select, maybe if I go into my select mode, okay, let's select these ones. And what I'm going to do this time is just hit the G key on my keyboard. I think sometimes the Q key does it as well. I don't remember if I've set up a hotkey or it's default, but on mine it's the G key. I might have added that as a hotkey. By default, like I said, it might be the Q key. So please check on your particular software which one it is. But anyway, as you can see, what that does is it asks me, or I've told it to just repeat the last action. So the last action I did was create a group. I've hit the G key here and now I have another group. Alright, so now I'm going to make a third group, I think. So let me go into here, select some more. I'm going to hit the G key and I've got another group. So this one is going to be called mid. This one is the bottom group. Okay, now let's open up my group tab. So now I've got my bottom group, I can see my top group, and oh, wait a minute, where is my mid group? It might help if I select that there. Okay, and my mid group. Now remember, you can also color code this. If I hit this little button here, I get my color codes. I'm going to turn that off for now. Okay, now let's say I want to convert these into points, and I want to just convert the top one. Okay, so how will I do that? I'm going to just go into opening a new node called my group promote node. There it is, got it. Okay, now I need to select which group I want. I need the top group and I want to convert that into points. If I look in my information here, I can see now that I have point group top and I've got two primitive groups. If I go back to here, I can see that they're all primitives. So I can see that it's converted this into points. I can't see anything here. Why? Because I'm in polygon mode, but if I go into the points and hit the top, I can now see that these are highlighted, the points that I wanted. Okay, it's as simple as that. Now you might be asking, why don't you just create a group with the top there and make that a point group? You're absolutely right, I can do that, and it will do exactly the same thing for this example, but in your examples it might get much more complex and you might decide that you need to convert the group, or promote the group as it's called in Houdini, later on, and this is how you would do it. Okay, hope this is helpful. You guys have a great day and I will speak to you all again very soon. Bye bye.